Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this black eyes filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for black eyes. Okay, not this one. Just scroll. Okay, this one, black eyes with 124.6k videos. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for black eye filter. Okay, the second one. Tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.